Hi, my name is Matt, and welcome to another episode of NC Star Tech TV. Today we're going over a brand new product. You're familiar, we have our rear sight pusher. Now we have a new and improved rear and front sight pusher. So for those slides that have dovetailed front and rear sights, now we have a pusher to do both of them. So let's get in here and take a closer look. So for removing this front sight, we have this riser block. It's magnetic, so we're going to put that right there. Okay, and it's a little easier if we go in through the front. Okay, so what you'll see here, I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the top one first. This hole here right below the crank allows me to look through and to perfectly line up my sight here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a flashlight here, and I'm going to get my sight perfectly lined up. So I'm going to back this off a little bit. This needs to come down. Okay. And it's difficult to see here on video, but there's a little protrusion here coming down off of the pusher block that's going to sit perfectly in between the dovetail so that you're actually pushing on the base of the sight and not the blade of the sight. You don't want to push on the blade of the sight, that can damage it. So once we have that all lined up, I got the side clamp here. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down. Side clamp, top clamp in the base. Okay, and so now we're ready to start. For reinstallation, I'm just going to go back the other way. With some of the newer replacement sights, you may want to hit the base of it with a little bit of sandpaper to take out some burrs if they're there, if necessary. And that's it. So that's a brief overview of our rear and front sight pusher. This is an essential tool if you change sights on your slides frequently, or you have a lot of pistols that you need to change your sights on. If you have any questions regarding this product, make sure you give us a call here at NC Star Tech Support. We'll be happy to assist you. Check us out on social media. NC Star Optics is our handle on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And please like this video, and please subscribe. Thank you.